Kevin Dunphy here. Welcome to Katie Custom Woodworking. I'm just showing the design of one of my work. I did this about 6 or 8 years ago, I forget. And it's all paneling up the stairs with double-sided here, custom handrail, everything. What more important is how wide I want the steps. I went 11, almost 12 inches here. I really had to fight to get it because they also had this header right here. This is common in the older homes. You can see right here. Like that's way not even code there. And I wanted to take it out, but I let them do it. So we've come up here, and right here, oh man, I almost hit my head. And that's it. I love this kind of work. I love retroing stairs and fixing them up. Went funky with the handrail all the way up. The only thing I turned in, but I could have rounded this. That's it. So tune into Katie Custom Woodworking, and we're going to keep doing. See what I mean? It's nice, the stairs. I love wide stairs, and I love big handrails on both sides. It's really safety. The only thing I didn't do was on the other side. On that side, I couldn't get it. All right. So I'm very proud of this job. You know, I haven't done one since. You know, but I love this look compared to fucking cheap spindles. So it wasn't that hard to do, but it was hard to fit. It was hard to fit the angles here. And getting it on the side here. You know. And the one word I do hate, and I hate with a vengeance, is the word scribing, okay? So hopefully this inspires you, maybe gives you some ideas. You know, if you have a moderate house and you want something nice, let's go.
This job, I did a quick check. It was done 9 years ago, but you could see how you have to fit it. You know, you have to do it in stages. It would be hard to do it in one piece and bring it down. That's what's cool about learning about woodworking. Your stuff can stay relevant for so long and still look amazing coming back 10, 20 years later. So thank you. Please subscribe.